A sealed federal report reveals a judge punished New Orleans clergy abuse survivors even after the Department of Justice said they shouldn't be.
WWL Chief Investigative Reporter David Hammer and reporting partner Ramon Vargas of The Guardian got their report from a public records request. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sharice Gibson.
And I'm Katie Moore. David joining us now to explain the story that you helped break yesterday. Big news.
Yeah, and David said there's been some intense kind of reaction from abuse survivors, right?
Exactly, yeah. All of this started in 2022 when Brother Martin High School learned its chaplain, Paul Hart, was a known child molester. But the church and bankruptcy judge Meredith Grable were more concerned about how Hart's past was leaked to the school and to our partner, Ramon Vargas. A Justice Department trustee investigated the leak, accused Richard Trahant, an attorney for abuse survivors, of violating a secrecy order by mentioning Hart's name to the high school and to Vargas. We just got a hold of the trustee's report and discovered it said the survivors who had hired Trahant should not have been punished for his actions, but that's exactly what Judge Grable did, removing them from settlement negotiations on the very day they were supposed to start. Now, that was 3 years ago, and the bankruptcy still isn't settled. We spoke to all 4 of those survivors that Grable removed from the committee, including Gretna City Councilman Jackie Berthelot, who was molested as a child by convicted child rapist Father Lawrence Hecker.
We had to relive this entire situation, and it was very difficult. And then we were going to meet the Archbishop to give an impact statement, and that was all pulled away when Judge Grable issued that order at 9 o'clock in the morning. It was so unfair. And now that we see the trustee report, we know it wasn't correct.
Now, Berthelot says this has exacerbated his health problems, and he's now resigning from the Gretna City Council 3 months before the end of his term. He also called on Grable to step down from overseeing the church's bankruptcy case.
David, a lot of people thinking about this. What is the status of that bankruptcy case?
Well, May 1st is 5 years for this bankruptcy,
right,
and the third mediation session starts today and goes for the rest of this week, and the two sides are $100 million or more apart. So now we'll have more coming up tonight at 9 o'clock. You can watch interviews that I'm doing with all of the people who were kicked off the committee on our streaming app, WWL TV, WWL Plus, and you can download that free on your TV.
All right, David, thank you so much for that update.